Quietum Plus emerges on the supplement's scene as an ally in the battle against the incessant ringing in the ears and the various stressors that permeate our daily lives, such as headaches, anxiety, and insomnia. Meticulously designed, it stands out as a market-leading product, boasting a remarkable efficacy and safety rating for consumers. This supplement, in addition to its functional qualities, carries characteristics of lightness and financial accessibility, making it an attractive option for those seeking relief and well-being. Imagine the constant ringing in your ears as an unwanted melody that disrupts the harmony of our everyday lives. Quietum Plus positions itself as the conductor who leads the symphony of tranquility, promising not only to alleviate this auditory discomfort, but also to face other challenges that afflict our mind and body. Entering the world of Quietum Plus, we are greeted with the promise of efficiency and safety, crucial factors that shape its reputation as a superior product. Just as an artist carefully sculpts his masterpiece, the formulators of Quietum Plus have dedicated themselves to creating a unique and effective formula. This supplement is hailed as the pinnacle of innovation, resulting in a solution that not only addresses ringing in the ears, but also aims to reduce the intensity of headaches, calm anxiety, and provide restful sleep. Quietum Plus' holistic approach stands out as a multifaceted response to the complexities of hearing health and overall well-being. The lightness of Quietum Plus is not just limited to its physical form, it is a metaphor for the burden it lifts from the shoulders of those who use it. This supplement, like a gentle breeze, promises to soften the impacts of daily challenges, offering a feeling of relief and serenity. Quietum Plus affordability broadens its appeal, making it a realistic option for a wide range of consumers seeking an effective and affordable approach to improving their quality of life. To fully understand the role of Quietum Plus, it is essential to unravel the intricate mechanism behind its effectiveness. Although the exact specifics were not detailed in the question, we can infer that this supplement operates in a synergistic manner, addressing the underlying causes of ringing in the ears and associated problems. Like a skilled craftsman, Quietum Plus appears to work in harmony with the body, promoting hearing health and emotional balance. Using Quietum Plus, like any valuable tool, requires careful understanding and proper application. The instructions provided on the product packaging serve as a guide, outlining the appropriate dosage and frequency of use. Just as a musician follows the sheet music to achieve the desired harmony, Quietum Plus users are encouraged to follow the guidelines to optimize the supplement's benefits. Before embarking on this hearing journey, it is wise to consult a healthcare professional. Just as an expert consultant guides a client through the complexities of an important decision, a healthcare professional can offer valuable insights into the suitability of Quietum Plus for individual needs. This preliminary step ensures that the search for relief is carried out safely and effectively, considering the nuances of each individual's health. Ultimately, Quietum Plus emerges as a therapeutic symphony, offering relief not only from ringing in the ears, but also from the emotional challenges that often accompany this condition. Its presence in the market as an effective and affordable product stands out as a beacon of hope for those seeking a comprehensive approach to hearing health and overall well-being. In this sound world, Quietum Plus resonates like a gentle melody, inviting consumers to experience a more peaceful and harmonious life. Product link in comments.